Hello and welcome to this ease suffering meditation. What I would like you to do is just sit down comfortably in whatever position suits you best. So that could be in a meditation position with your legs crossed, or it could be lying on the floor, or it could be sitting on a chair. Just take a moment to get comfortable. In times of suffering, connecting with the power of nature can be a great solace. So make sure you're in a position that allows you to fully relax. When you are suffering, it's difficult to focus. So on the other hand, when you focus, you ease your hardship. Let's actively focus on the breath now, to fully divert your concentration to oxygen, pulling you out of distress. One. Breathing in slowly and very deeply. Exhale, allowing for a gentle relaxation to commence. Two. Inhale fully, expanding. Exhale, experiencing even more calmness coming over you. 3. Another breath in. Breathe out, noticing the power of oxygenation. 4. Breathe in passionately. Exhale any last bits of tension, sending it away forever. Five. One more nice, beautiful breath coming in, and let it out, feeling much more relaxed than when you started. Good. Breathing with intention is a very powerful tool in changing your state of mind. If you feel you are stuck in a feeling of suffering and need to relax even more, you can repeat these 5 powerful breaths at any time, counting them as you go along. Breathing deeply and fully is helpful in any situation, but especially during the most difficult times in our lives. When you find thought of misfortune is beginning to overcome you, take a walk or a gaze out of the window into nature. If you cannot get to a place outdoors, you can simply imagine it. If you haven't already done so, close your eyes for even better visualization skills. When you close your eyes, a powerful wave of relaxation sweeps over you, and you see that you are a magnificent garden. And bring into your imagination that this garden is packed with wonderful flowers. The aroma surrounding you is intoxicating with the sweetness of nectar. There is a soft and natural path through the garden that you begin to walk down. There are so many exquisite plants producing the most beautiful flowers and foliage you have ever seen. The trees around you are thriving and tall, gently swaying in the breeze. Take a deep breath in of this fresh air, packed with the oxygen that these plants produce for you. Good. You haven't felt this nice in a very long time. It's beautiful here, and you feel safe here. Far from the anguish of your past. Just enjoy being in your garden for a little while. You can always come back to this place by simply remembering it, and allow the thought of nature to eliminate all of your stress. When you rise from this meditation and find that suffering still remains, go out into real nature and sit with it in silence and in appreciation, honoring it as often as you can. Breathing in the fresh oxygen provided for you. Whenever you are ready, return to the present moment and inhale a last full, refreshing breath. Open your eyes, feeling relaxed and ready to take on life as a blessing.